In a cozy kitchen, a compact toaster oven becomes a thrifty artisan, turning stale bread crusts, carrot tops, and broccoli stems into 3 fresh bites. First, a crispy herb toast with roasted veggie bits creates a zesty starter. Next, the scraps head into a mini crumble on a tray for a savory side. Finally, the remaining peels go into a quick compost mash beside the counter, teaching waste can become soil. 3 dishes show how a small appliance and mindful cleanup turn kitchen scraps into meals and a greener home.